Blueberries offer several health benefits for females, as they do for both genders. Here are some potential advantages specifically relevant to women's health. 1. Antioxidant properties. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. This can contribute to reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Heart health. The antioxidants and flavonoids in blueberries may have cardiovascular benefits. They could help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. Maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system is essential for women's well-being. 3. Cognitive function. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in blueberries may have a positive impact on cognitive function. This is particularly relevant as women age, as cognitive health becomes a significant concern. 4. Urinary tract health. Blueberries contain compounds that may help prevent urinary tract infections (UTIs). By inhibiting the adhesion of bacteria to the urinary tract walls, UTIs are more common in women, so incorporating blueberries into the diet may offer a protective effect. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health issues, including conditions specific to women like endometriosis and polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS). Blueberries may help reduce inflammation in the body. 6. Skin health. The antioxidants in blueberries may contribute to healthier skin. They can potentially slow down the aging process of the skin and protect against damage caused by UV rays and environmental factors. 7. Weight management. Blueberries are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, which can be beneficial for weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for overall well-being and can also have specific implications for women's health. 8. Blood sugar control. The fiber content in blueberries, along with their low glycemic index, may contribute to better blood sugar control. This is particularly important for women with conditions like gestational diabetes or insulin resistance. It's important to note that while blueberries can be a nutritious addition to a balanced diet, they are not a cure-all. And overall lifestyle choices, including a well-rounded diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep, play crucial roles in maintaining good health. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice based on individual health needs.